Welcome, people, bots, and algos of the interwebs. This is the Monday's edition of Analyst. You might have noticed that the reports I have built so far have all displayed in a seemingly random order, have displayed actually have displayed records in a seemingly random order. Here in the sales summary report, my month values are all scrambled up, and if I press back in my browser, year values are also scrambled up. Now, if you are anything like me, this has probably been bugging you for the past few videos. So let's take a moment to fix this up properly. The order that the records in a report will display in is dictated by the indexes in the storage of the data back in the original database. Unless we specify otherwise in the design of the report, because our dataset queries do not include an order by clause when we're pulling the data out, we need to tell the table objects how we want the records to be sorted. So go back, click edit in. You select the your report and you click edit in report builder. And click here, escape, you press escape and you make sure you go to Tablix properties, Tablix 1 properties. It may Yours may not say Tablix 1, but it definitely will say Tablix and maybe 5, 6, some number, but it has to say Tablix. Go down to sorting and you select here. Yeah, that's the only column to sort in. Now, you can either sort in ascending or descending order. So preferably it's uh, descending because you possibly want to work with the latest here first. So save and run. And our year values are in order. So we click our year values in order, but our transactional months are not in order on the sales summary by month report. We also need to fix that. So for that, you cannot fix it from the one report. You have to go back to the portal and click and select the summary, sales summary one, and then click on the ellipsis and select edit in report builder. And here we have the months and the years of the sales summary by month report. So you need to go to Tablix properties of sales summary by month, click properties on Tablix 1, click sorting. And we're going to do a double default sort of sorts here. It's like a double entendre. You select sort by transaction here, and we sort in a descending order, so Z to A. Also, you add your double sort, and you click transaction month, and you also select descend, click OK, run. Because we didn't go from the year report, we didn't get the hyperlink, so we have to enter it manually. 2016, and they are all in descending. So that's the default sorting. You also want to enable interactive sorting. So with interactive sorting for transaction year and month, you click the header of transactional year. Make sure you are in the text box properties. Click properties and enable. You're sorting by transactional year, so you click interactive sorting, enable this Enable interactive sorting for this text box and sort by transactional year, transaction year. Do the same for transactional month, transactional month. Interactive sorting, enable the sorting for the text box. Sort by transaction month. Okay, let's run. 1 5, okay, and oh, was not transaction year or something enabled sorting on. I just realized transactional year sorting does nothing. It's redundant. Errors happen, debug them. Go to total sales. You enable interactive sorting. And total sales, you go to the text box properties, interactive sorting on this text box, and okay, run the report. Okay, so this makes more sense. Instead of having interactive sorting on transactional here that does nothing. More sense and sorted. So let's go back into the portal and view our changes. Sales summary, now need to go to year. 2014. Our years are our transaction month is in descending order. Our total sales, work expected. So works as expected. So by adding a sort order to the report, it will display the records in a predictable way and making the sort interactive allow the user to view the data from a different perspective. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.